Hey everybody, it's Dustin the Genius here at Orlando Mini with another instructional video. This time it's on making the top go up or down on our convertibles. Now our recent year model vehicles actually don't have anything manual that you have to move. It's all electronic. You just have to move the switch, which is located at the center of the roof all the way at the front where the interior lights are. It's actually the really big switch here. Now when you first do it, it's actually, believe it or not, going to open up the moonroof part. Yes, our convertibles actually have a moonroof part where it basically opens up part of the way. And you can leave it that way. Or if you move it back again, you will actually make the rest of the top go all the way down. Now, if you want to make it go up, all you have to do is push it the opposite way, and then the top will actually come back to its original position. But first, it's going to go back to the moonroof part, and then you just got to move it forward again if you actually want it to close, and it will roll the windows back up, all by pushing it forward. And it's that simple, ladies and gentlemen. Just make sure you finish the evolution of the top going up or down before you actually start driving away. All right, thank you very much for allowing me to teach you about your Mini.